Okay, guys, this is my last video because I'm going to bed right now because I have school tomorrow. So, it's gonna be so crazy because I hate school. Going starting. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is good because I have two good. And already I got to 17. And I got the hermit sword and what is this? Link's claws. It takes me to 19 hours. What you gonna know? I'm gonna go to the and we're gonna face to face a good mountain. Dang! That combo was wild! Bark, bark, bark! Bark! To use the hermit swords because I love this one with the links. Anyway, pickpocket, I don't know. Would expand the screen. Bro! Bark, I win, you lose, nigga. Wait Gotta lose, don't you? Okay, that's today. Bye, see you next time. Bye.